Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the system so repairs work. Verify free disk space and installer checksums. Corrupted installers often trigger Isdone.dll failures. Once done, disable antivirus and Windows Defender real-time scanning temporarily so the installer can write files. Next, right-click the setup, choose Run as administrator, and if it's an older package, set compatibility mode for Windows 7 or 8. These early steps remove permission and interference causes. Do them now to ensure the deeper fixes will succeed. Now you repair or replace the failing components so installations can complete. First, copy a clean Isdone.dll and unarc DLL into C, /Windows /System32 or syswow64 depending on your OS, then register them with regs432 if applicable. Once done, run sfc/scano to fix underlying system file corruption that may cause library errors. If the installer still fails, extract the package with 7-zip to test archive integrity and review installer logs for specific missing files or path errors. That narrows the exact cause. Finish the process by restoring normal protections and validating stability. After a successful install, reboot and re-enable your antivirus and Windows Defender to return to secure defaults. If problems persist, reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX runtimes because missing runtimes frequently cause Isdone.dll errors. Finally, attempt a clean boot or install under a fresh local user to rule out profile corruption. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: test the installer on another PC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.